What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you the steps that you can do to connect an RFID card or tag to your iPhone. Now, natively for 99% of people, it's not possible since there is no direct way or native way to add the RFID card or tag directly to your iPhone. However, for the more techie people, there are some steps that you can do or some solutions that you can try in order to achieve that. The first one is adding an external RFID reader that you can connect to your iPhone by Bluetooth or USB-C if you have an iPhone 15 or higher. Now, in theory, these readers can communicate with your card or tags and use them to open access doors. Now, alternatively, there are some third-party apps that you can use to connect your RFID card. However, some of them or most of them require an additional accessory that connects to your iPhone 15s or higher USB-C port. And finally, you can try to integrate it with the access control system. And this is available for some access control systems that may offer you can offer your mobile credentials. They can be stored on your system, so you can use your iPhone to unlock the doors, or instead of using the traditional RFID card or tag. So as you can see, there is no simple way or no direct way to do it. However, you can try these solutions and see what works for you.